Billy made it. Now it's my turn.
You can do it!
Done, it wasn't too bad, but I kept moving my wheel back and forth slightly. But you see right there. Good job. This is why I like snow wheeling out in the desert better than the mountains. In the mountains you go about like another 100 feet once you hit snow. Up here you can just keep going as long as you can.
That's good, Kevin, because sometimes I need some room to get back and get a little momentum going. Looks like Bob was backing up there.
Yeah, I think he's cutting through another section. It's actually pretty deep right where I'm at.
There's good things, there's plenty of things that winds from here. Right.
Yeah, we got plenty of those moving stationary things. And traction boards.
Or just tie off to about 30 sagebrush.
Well, we could dig a hole and bury our spare tire.
It brings in that whole digging thing again.
Trying not to get stuck, so I'm gonna have to hold on. Okay, I'm on firm again. Bob? Bob? Is it looking okay, or does it look like you're just going to get into more of that?
There's a pretty good drift right here, but I think a few feet through here it will be better. Okay, made it through the drift.
I'll just wait here until you get up and over the berm there, I guess.
This is the white Jeep. I need a traction board, please, or have Bob come back down and give me a nudge forward.
All right, I'll be there in a sec. Up. Down. Yes, do that.
Remember the mantra, I have been stuck, I have been unstuck. I almost made it. I'm sitting right on top of the dam. Are you taking the dam tour? Yeah, I'm going to have to get the damn shovel out.
Well, if he's stuck, I doubt if I can get up to him and do any good. I don't know, Kevin, you see any way around?
Ready?
There's no good way around. I tried to see if I could even see where they were. I couldn't see them from my point of view.
I don't know if you want to try it, but back a couple hundred yards, probably behind the red truck, was a turn to the right. I don't know if we can get in there and get vehicles swapped around or not.
Yeah, we could back up and then I can go around you.
Oh, okay. Oh. I thought we were still pulling, sorry. We're doing that and trying not to get stuck myself.
Hang on, I need to re-angle. I'm out now.
So are we good to proceed forward?
Yeah, I'm not sure yet. What's going on up there, Bob?
I'm out.
Not fighting through anything, are you?
I'm about to go on the other side of the dam. I'm not sure how. I mean, it's not any worse than what we came through, I don't think. Should I wait up? Make sure everybody can make it?
Might be a good idea.
Okay.
Well, Don, I guess give it the beans.
Yeah, Mike's stuck again, so. You want to try the traction boards or give you a nudge again? Want me to pull you again? Go. Gonna try a little harder this time. Yeah, probably be a good idea to just turn around. We got one rig here stuck pretty good now, so we'll probably get them unstuck and then head back that way.
Kevin, is that spot between us a good place to turn, or should we go farther back?
Well, I think if we go further back to that, where that road was off to the right, they had already kind of cut some tracks up that road a little bit, so we could use that to turn around.
I think you're right.
I mean, if you wanted to try it right here, I could pull you out if you get stuck.
I'd just assume back up.
Chad's taking out brush over here.
Yeah, I got cockeyed.
Whew! I don't hit her that hard. No, we're good enough. Yeah.
Chad, you missed the turnaround.
Ready?
Turn around right there on the right.
This is more what I expect when I go on a Georgia trip.